You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce this word. We'll be looking at how to say more confusing vocabulary many get wrong in English. Stay tuned to the channel to learn more. 2 different ways of pronouncing it. In British English, it's generally pronounced as simultaneity, simultaneity, simultaneity. No, simultaneity with a proper T. Now, in American English, that's when it changes. Simultaneity, simultaneity, simultaneity in American English, or simultaneity in British English. And now you know. Could you hear the difference? How do you pronounce it? Let us know in the comments. More videos for you here to learn more. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.